Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Aisha's kitchen. Today I am going to show you chicken mandi. So let's start. Black peppercorn 1 teaspoon, nutmeg 2 small pieces, 1 tablespoon green cardamom, 5 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon stone flour, then 1 teaspoon of cloves, and you have to take 2 tablespoons of coriander seed. Now it's not available with me, so I am taking 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Now heat up the pan, dry roast all the ingredients, roast it nicely, but don't burn it. Now the nice smell is coming. Then turn off the flame, let it cool down. Now grind them into a fine powder and add coriander powder also. For the marination, take one whole chicken and cut it into the half pieces. So I have taken 3 pieces like this. With this spice mixture which we grinded, so take 3 to 4 teaspoon. With this add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, and add paprika powder. This is optional. If you want, you can add Kashmiri chili powder. Then add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix it. Then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I am using olive oil. If you don't have, you can use any oil like sunflower oil, anything you can use it. Mix it. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. This one as you required, as per taste you can add it. Mix it well. Then take the chicken and rub it properly and rub it everywhere. Rub it nicely. Then marinate this chicken for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take a pressure cooker, add 1 cup of cooking water. I am using this for the steam. Keep the chicken. Close the lid. Don't keep the whistle. Leave it for 30 minutes on low-medium flame. Now 30 minutes finish. Now I'll open the lid. See, now it's cooked nicely. If you have oven, bake this chicken pieces at 200 degree for few minutes just to make the chicken as a golden brown. If you don't have the oven, you can fry the chicken in the pan also. Just apply little oil. Take the chicken pieces slowly and keep it. Let it fry. Now I am going to use this chicken stock to cook the rice. Take a Kadai, Add oil. Add 1 onion slices. Saute it. Add 2 chilies chopped. Saute it till it becomes golden brown. Now turn the chicken. Now the onion is little fried. So add the spices. That spice mix we grind it. Then half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Just saute it. So now we are going to add the water. The measurement of water is 1 cup of rice. You have to add 2 cups of water. But here I washed and soaked the rice for 1 hour before. So I am taking 1.5 cup of water. Always remember, if you soak the rice, take 1.5 cup of water for 1 cup of rice. Add salt as per taste. The water is boiling. Now add the rice. Mix. Now close it and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, just open and stir it well. Again close it and cook for 5 minutes. See, now the water is reduced. Lower the flame. Now I kept one old tawa for them. See, now the rice is cooked well. So now I transfer it into a serving plate. Now keep the chicken. Garnishing with raisins, fried onion, and fresh coriander leaves. So now you can serve, but my family, they like smoky flavor. So for that I am going to use to burn a coal. Keep 1 cup, place a cup in the middle. Keep the coal, that hot coal, and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Just immediately close it tightly. Then keep it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can remove it. I am going to give my small chef for tasting. Khaled, open karo. Plate open kar. Plate. ओपन करो, नीचे रखो. ओपन करके नीचे रख जल्दी. कैसे काले? बोलो. अच्छा है. कितना अच्छा है? कितना पसंद है? कितना? खालिद कितना पसंद? और एक बार टेस्ट करो, जल्दी टेस्ट करो. कैसा है खालिद? बहुत अच्छा है. लव यू. बाय बोलो. सबको ट्राई करो बोलो. ट्राई एवरीवन बोलो.